Hey guys, my name is Harshita and today I'm so excited because today I'm gonna think what I'm doing. As you saw in my thumbnail, I'm gonna do myself. I'm gonna tell you about myself. So it's not a really interesting video. That's not it. I'm gonna tell myself in Swedish. So the thing is, I was speaking in Swedish and here it will come in English, okay? If you're not comfortable, so let's start it. Okay, here. It will come like, jag heter Harshita. Here, my name is Harshita. So, jag är 9 år gammal. I am 9 years old. Okay. Jag bra. Bra means great. So, okay, next one is let me think. Jag kommer ifrån Indien. I came from India. And it's English. In Swedish, in English. Maybe. Here the Swedish. So it's okay. Actually, whatever I'm saying, it's not the big boy. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe it if you're new on our channel. So don't forget to subscribe it up. And what else? Maybe share and comment. Don't forget it. Okay.